Okay, this is your Baby Lock 1556, and it's super easy to operate. It's not complicated at all. There's 3 knobs across the top. This is your tension, this is your width, and this is your length. It does 15 different kinds of stitches. To select your stitch, you just turn this little knob over here on the side, and it shows up right here in this little window which stitch you selected. And I'll do a little demo for you here. Nice and quiet. Reverse. There we go. So it does a nice little stitch. I stitched out the number 11. I did test all of these stitches and they all work. The only one I wasn't able to test was the buttonhole stitch, but it does a zigzag just great, so the buttonholer should work if you have the buttonhole attachment. Anyhow, this is a Baby Lock 1556.